Good morning, students. Fifth lesson, decimal fraction, is going on. In this chapter, we have seen the additions and subtraction of decimal fractions, place value of decimal fractions, showing decimal fraction on the number line, converting common fraction into decimal fraction. Today we are going to see the multiplication of the decimal fraction. So let's see the example. Then you will understand how to solve the multiplication of decimal fractions. See, there are three methods. I will show you the three methods here. The first example is multiply 4.3 multiply by 5. Let's see here method 1. 4.3 multiply by 5, it means 4.3 means convert it into the common fraction. 4.3 here is one place to the right side of point. So write down 43 into 10. Here we convert 4.3 into the common fraction, multiply by 5. Now 43 multiply by 5, multiplication denominator with denominator and numerator with numerator. Here is no denominator, it means there is 1. So 43 multiply by 5, numerator to numerator, and 10 into 1, that is denominator with denominator. 43 multiply by 5, that is 215 upon 10. So answer is 21.5. Because here denominator is a 10 having 1 0, so leave one place from the right side and place here point. So answer is 21.5. See here method 2. Multiplication 4.3, it means 4 and 0.3 means 3 upon 10 multiply with 5. Here 5 4s are 20 and 5 into 3 upon 10, that is 5 3s are 15 upon 10, that is 1.5, and this is a 5 4s are 20. Now add these two numbers. 4.3 multiplied by 5 is equal to, add these two numbers, 20 plus 1.5, that is 21.5. Now let's see the method 3. Method 3 is very easy. Okay. The question is multiply 43.5. 4.3 multiply by 5. First, take a multiplication of 43 multiply by 5. Okay, simple multiplication. 5 3 is 15, 1, and 5 4 are 20 plus 1 21. Answer is 215. Okay, let's see here in this fraction. Here there is a one place is there to the right side of point, so leave one place in the answer, leave one place to the back side from the answer and place here point. So answer is 21.5. I hope this third method is very easy. Let's see one more example by using third method. 2.7 multiply by 1.3. First take a simple multiplication here. 27 multiply by 13. Okay. 13 sevens are 91. 13 twos are 26. 26 plus 9, that is a 35. So now look here. Here in the first number there is a one place to the right side, and in the second number there is also one place. So total places are 2. Okay. So write down here answer and leave 2 places from the back side, 1 and 2, and give here point. 3.51. Let's see one more example here. 0.51 multiply by 0.3. See here is 0.51 and 0.3, but original digit is a 51 and 3. So first multiply here 51 multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now look here. Here 2 places are there to the right side of point. Okay. So here is a 2 digit, and in this number there is a 1 digit. So total digits are 1, 2 and 3. So write down here answer 153. Okay. And leave 3 places from the back side, that is 1, 2 and 3. Place here point. Here is no number, so take here 0. So answer is 0.153. See next example. Example number 4. 62.32 multiply with 2.5. So first do here simple multiplication. 6232 multiply by 25. 25 2s are 50. 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 5, that is 80. 25 to the 50, 50 plus 8, 58. 25 6 are 150, 150 plus 5, that is 155. So here answer is 1,55,800. So write down here in front of the answer 155800. Now how many places are here? 2. Total places here 1, 2. In the first number there are 2 places, and in the multiplier there are 1 place. Means total places are 3. So leave 3 places from the back side of this answer 1, 2, 3. Okay. Count these digits from back side 1, 2, 3 and place here point. So answer is 155.800. Okay, write down. See here. First multiply and ignoring the decimal points. Okay. See here 27 multiply by simple multiplication. 27 multiply by 30. Ignore the decimal points. 51 multiply by 3. 6,232 multiply by 25. Okay. First multiply, then in the product, starting from the unit place, we count as many places as the total decimal places in the multiplicand and the multiplier, and place the decimal point before them. Let's see more examples in next video.